Hello everyone. Let's read Splish, Splash, Ducky by Lucy Cousins. Hello, I'm Ducky Duckling. When I'm feeling happy, I say quack, quack, quack. Oh goody, hooray, it's raining today. I'm going to find my friends to play. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drip, drop. I hop with frog. Quack, quack, quack. I like to squirm with wiggly worm. Quack, quack, quack. A hug for bug and a hug for slug. Quack, quack, quack. Into the pond to play with the swans. Quack, quack, quack. Splash, splish, I swim with fish. Quack, quack, quack. We shake our feathers in the rainy weather. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drop, plip, plop. Rain is funny on your tummy. Quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak, hide and seek. Quack, quack, quack. Oh no, the rain has stopped. No more drips, no more drops, no more quacking. I'm feeling sad. I think I'll go to see my dad. Cheer up, Ducky. Here comes the sun. Look at the butterflies having fun. We'll quack together, whatever the weather. Hop on my back and quack, quack, quack. Thank you for reading with me today. That's all the time we have left for today. Thanks for stopping by and God bless. Bye-bye.